Hey, hello, greetings and welcome. So this video is on the law of rhythm in Hermetics, and law of rhythm is the way energy builds momentum to hit a type of critical mass. So within practice, you accumulate several different qualities. The first is an awareness of your development process, your method. And you build a critical mass within your understanding of what you're doing, how you're doing it, and your methodology. The next is you build a passion for the practice. So each day you get more and more excited about your practice, which is pretty ironic because the center of gravity is equanimity of what we're doing. But you build a passion in relation to your practice. And each day you astrally accumulate passion to motivate yourself to get more done. And the third is your will. You accumulate a type of will within your rhythm. So each day you're more concentrated, you're more focused, you're more committed, you have more energy accumulated. And then the last one is an accumulation of faith. As you practice, you accumulate faith within what you're doing as you metabolize the results. So with each result, the faith accumulates, and this generates a type of persistence where you're running on a type of autopilot because you're continually accumulating results and your faith increases. And we want to utilize the law of rhythm to increase all these qualities. So you're continually rhythmically increasing understanding, your passion for what you're doing, your willpower is increasing, and there's a faith and persistence in your development process that rises naturally. So we want to bring each one of these in a balanced way up to a center of gravity where the critical mass is being hit and it's carrying you in the direction you want to go within your practice. In this way, you can get results very quickly, very efficiently, and really enjoy the path because the results are there all the time. You're continually flowering within your practice. So utilizing law of rhythm brings success to those who understand it. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.